welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to check if a string is a palindrome or not. So let's go ahead and kick off immediately by creating a string variable of, go ahead and say input, and let the user insert a string. So whatever the string user inserts, we'll go ahead and check out the length of that. So let's say length of str is equal to, let's say, length, and pass in the value of str right in there. Now we'll go ahead and use the for loop and check for I in range of, so for I in range of length underscore str divided by 2, then go ahead and use an if statement and check str with the value of I is not equal to str with the value of a negative 1 minus I. Alright, negative 1 minus I, and then that means it is not a palindrome. Go ahead and say this is not a palindrome. Alright, so this is not a palindrome, and we go ahead and quit the program. Go ahead and quit the program, else you go ahead and print out. Let's go ahead and print out this is a palindrome. So this is a palindrome. Go ahead and run this code. Let's check out and make sure that this works out fine. Go ahead and put hello. Hello is not a palindrome, so this is not a palindrome. Let's go ahead and run this code again and check a word that is palindrome. Let's put something like A B C D. Is that A B C D? A B C D, then D C B A, and run this code. So this is a palindrome. So a palindrome starts and ends just the same way, nothing different. But if any string that is not a palindrome, like most strings are not palindrome, they can just come and say word. Word is not a palindrome, all right? But if you say word, let's go ahead and run this code again and check out. If you go ahead and say word and do L O, is that let's go ahead, that is not, and hit enter. So this is a palindrome. It starts just the same way and ended the same way. That makes it a palindrome. Okay, so the code is just ready before you. Go ahead and put it down on your own system and play around with it, and in case you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.